Exchanges are a great alternative to refunds and allow you to swap a product instead of returning the funds to the customer or patient. If you'd like to process an exchange for a customer or patient, you can navigate to Menu, Orders, and select the desired order from the list. Keep in mind that you can filter orders by date, shelf, POS register, etc. The search bar can be used to find orders by their number or customer/patient name. Every receipt printed in IndicaOnline also contains a barcode, which can be scanned on the orders page to make the search process quicker. Alternatively, you can tap the previous orders icon underneath the customer or patient's name in the cart to view their previous orders. Tap the desired order to view the corresponding order profile. In the bottom right corner, you'll notice an exchange button. Tap it to view the exchange pop-up. Here you'll see all products that can be exchanged within the order. Weight products sold from the jar cannot be exchanged, for instance. Each item has a checkbox that allows you to select it, the corresponding product icon, product name, UID, and the number of items that were ordered. Under the Exchange Items section, you can select how many instances of this item will be exchanged. This number can't be higher than the ordered quantity. Keep in mind that you'll have to scan or manually enter the item barcode for each instance of the item that's being exchanged. The Return to Shelf toggle allows you to indicate that the product will be returned to your inventory. If the toggle is left disabled, the item will be written off as waste, specified as the reason. Select the item you want to refund and use the Tap to Scan Barcode button to begin the process. The Scan Barcode pop-up will appear. Tap the barcode in the top right corner to begin scanning. The little keyboard icon at the top left side of the camera window allows you to specify the barcode by hand instead of scanning it. A handheld barcode scanner or the one on your ELO can be utilized for this purpose as well. Once the barcode has been scanned, you'll receive a success notification. Based on the number of items that are being exchanged, you might have to keep scanning them until the to scan number matches the one under scanned. If you use external barcodes for your packages, you will also be able to use them during exchanges the same way as those generated by IndicaOnline. In case there are multiple packages using the same external barcode, upon scanning it, the system will offer you a selection of all such packages with available quantity, so that you can decide which one to use for this specific exchange. Tap Go to the exchange screen when you're ready. Here you'll see all items that are being exchanged, as well as the corresponding item amounts. Tap Finalize Exchange when you're ready. You'll see that the order profile has been updated and an exchange label has appeared under the affected item. Orders that have had item exchanges can be located on the corresponding page. Simply navigate to the Orders tab on Web and filter the list by exchange status, present. Orders that have had item exchanges can be located on the corresponding page. Keep in mind that when processing an exchange for Metrc items, it will be registered in Metrc as a new sale